to the well in the heat of the day, carrying shame I could not wash away. Thirst in my heart, the water was near. Then I heard a voice that calmed every fear. You knew